Moving files inside Google Drive can make a huge difference in how organized and efficient your workspace feels. In this video, I will show you how to move a Google Sheet into a specific folder inside Google Drive. This simple step helps keep your documents tidy and easy to find whenever you need them. To begin, open Google Drive in your browser. Once you are on the Drive homepage and logged into your account, you will see all your documents and folders laid out in front of you. If you don't see the file right away, that's completely normal, especially if you have many items stored in your drive. Next, locate the Google Sheet you want to move. You can scroll through your files or simply use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of your spreadsheet and it should appear instantly. Google Sheets files are easy to recognize by their green icon, which looks like a small spreadsheet. Click once on the file to select it. After selecting your sheet, look toward the top of the screen. You will see several icons, and one of them looks like a small folder with an arrow on it. That is the Move icon. Clicking this icon will open a window that lets you choose exactly where you want your file to go. A pop-up window will appear showing your current folder structure. You can click through any folder to open it and explore what is inside. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and decide the best place to store your Google Sheet. Think about your workflow and what will make it easier to find the file later. A project folder, a spreadsheets folder, or even a newly created folder could all be great options. Depending on how you organize your files, once you have found the folder where you want to move your sheet, click on that folder to select it. You will then see a Move button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Make sure everything looks correct and then click the Move button to confirm. The file will be relocated immediately. After a moment, your Google Sheet will appear inside the folder you selected, keeping your drive cleaner and better structured. This small habit can help save time and reduce clutter, especially if you work with a large number of documents. And that's all there is to it. You have just learned how to move a Google Sheet to a folder inside Google Drive. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and simple. If you enjoy learning practical tools like this, feel free to explore more of our helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope your digital workspace becomes more organized and easier to manage every day.